said that you moved on. Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love? 'Cause I'm dying to know. Why do you wanna end?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I have got some extreme cleaning motivation for you guys. As you can see here, the house was a huge wreck and I had very little time to get it done. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me and share with you some extreme cleaning motivation. But if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, especially if you enjoy videos like this one. We share lots of cleaning motivation, but also some organizing and decor and decorating. So if you enjoy any of that content, I know you will enjoy this channel. So make sure you guys do subscribe before you leave here. But let's just go ahead and jump right into it and get some cleaning done. So let's go. So today was just one of those crazy busy days. That's why this house was a huge mess. We had errands and things to do in the morning, and then we had come back for the boys' lunchtime and nap time. And then after they were done napping, we had a few more things that we had to go out to do. So I basically had all of nap time to get this done. So I had a few things on my list that I really wanted to do, like mop the floors and just really tidy up so I didn't have to do as much cleaning when I came back and got ready for our nighttime routine. So I really try and get as much cleaning done during the nap time just because it's so much easier and I feel so much more productive when I clean while the boys are occupied or while they're sleeping. So that's why I'm doing as much as I can now versus doing it later. Also, you will see the boys right here in the beginning just because they had just finished lunch. But I usually try really hard to do all the noisy stuff like vacuuming or doing the dishes really quickly while they're awake, just in case my whole noise making racket wakes them up. I hate making loud noises while they're sleeping. I'm just one of those moms that tries not to make really, really loud noises while the boys are sleeping just because I like them to sleep as long as possible. But it doesn't always work out like that. Sometimes I can't really avoid it, but on the days that I can, I definitely do all of my noise making cleaning while they're awake. Am I the only one? Please tell me I am not the only one that does that. So really quick, I just wanted to introduce myself to anyone who is new to this channel, and also thank you so much for stopping by and watching this. And for anyone who is coming back to my channel, thank you for coming back and watching this. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. But my name is Lauren and I am a mom of 2 boys. Colton is going to be turning 4 and Logan is almost a year and a half. So If you guys see them throughout the video or any of my videos, that's them. But I just love sharing our lives with you guys, and I love sharing some cleaning tips and cleaning motivation, as well as some organizing. And I absolutely love it. If you guys are new here, this is actually a brand new channel. I have another channel that I am gearing more towards vlogging, so that's why this channel is so new, but I am definitely not new to the cleaning world. I've been doing it for quite some time, but I absolutely love it. So it's so funny, if Chris was watching this, he would totally make fun of me because I have a terrible habit of leaving the vacuum off the charger, and whenever I go to use it, it works just fine, and it's charged enough for me to vacuum the downstairs or wherever I need to vacuum. But then when he goes to use the vacuum to clean his computer or vacuum the car out, it always dies on him. So yeah, that's just so funny. There's video proof of me leaving the vacuum off the charger. So I'm gonna finish up putting these two cutting boards away, but you guys, I am so excited. We finally brought home a no cedar mop, and that's what I'm doing today. It was one of the biggest things that has been on my to-do list forever, and the only reason why it took so long for us to bring one home is because I still had wet mop pads for our wet mop, and I didn't want to waste them, but I just couldn't take it anymore. They were awful. I hated mopping my floor with them. It just left them streaky, and it just was terrible. So I literally could have jumped up and down when we finally brought this home, and I am using my Thieves cleaner to just kind of dilute that in the water, and off I went. It was amazing. I absolutely love this thing. Although I think I was a little too excited because I think I filled it way past the water line, and it didn't squeegee out a lot of the water. So my floors were super watery, but that's okay. It's a little bit of a learning experience apparently, but I'll get the hang of it. I can help you out. Here we go again. I think next time I do mop my floors though, I definitely want to move the rugs so I can clean out from underneath them. It's not something that I do all the time. In fact, I can't even tell you the last time it was since I cleaned underneath the rugs, but it is going to go on my to-do list for the next time I pull this mop out. But I also like to wipe underneath the water dispenser because it leaves water marks, and it bugs both Chris and I so much when we see hard water spots there. So I try really hard to wipe that out whenever I clean the kitchen. But now I'm going to go ahead and move into the family room and just straighten up and clean up all of the toys. I can help you out. 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 So I feel like I say this like all the time, but I really try and encourage both the boys to help me clean up their toys. It doesn't happen all the time, and there are just some times where it is easier for me to just kind of do it by myself. It gets done a lot quicker, but I definitely encourage them all the time to help me clean up the toys. I know you guys don't see it all the time on here, but it is something that I do every day with them.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
So last but not least, what I'm going to do is actually clean out my diffuser. I try and do this at least once a week, if not sometimes a little bit after that, but I do really try and keep it clean. I just swab some rubbing alcohol onto the bottom of the diffuser, and then I just use my thieves cleaner to clean out the rest of it and wipe it out with a paper towel, and that is it. And then today I am diffusing orange and lavender, and it is one of my new favorite blends. It is so relaxing, but the orange like brightens it up. I absolutely am obsessed with orange, so I basically use it like every day. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this extreme clean with me and got some extreme cleaning motivation from it. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!